Arthur. I am the author of Yahshua Was a Spaceman. The concept of my book is I want it to be a coffee table book. I don't want it to be on a bookshelf. I want it to be laying out on the coffee table so everybody has easy access to it. It's designed to be picked up and started from anywhere. If I was to classify my book, it is a philosophical and social satire, remembering that people should never take themselves too seriously. The subjects are set off in individual concepts. And what I do is, through a series of questions, hopefully guide you through a myriad of ideas and get you to question some of the things that are actually taken for granted. I always tell people, it's not about the choices you make, it's about the questions you ask. I mean, anybody can make a choice to follow a certain concept of society. Let's take, for instance, you can choose to be a Catholic. But if you choose to be a Catholic, then all the rules that you live by are set for you. You don't get to question the doctrine that's already been written by men that's gone before us. But if we take time out and think about what has gone on in the world, and we start questioning, then we can come to some answers and some conclusions that might find us in a better place. And that's what I try to do with this book, is ask the questions that will get us into a better place. I have had this book read by a number of people from the ages of 83 down to 16, and they all enjoyed it very much. I think people like to be challenged, and this is what this book does. It challenges you. It's fun to read. It can be read in 2 hours. And you can walk away pondering about things that are taking place in the world today. Hopefully when my people read this book, they'll question what they think is for sure. I want them to walk away with the idea that, maybe things aren't what they want us to believe things are. And the only way we're ever going to find that out is if we continue to question everything that takes place. And don't be afraid to question anything. But as I said before, don't accept all the answers.